Today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of the Pontypridd accommodation. One of the best things about this campus is the views. It doesn't get better than this. This is the hub, the social space where people can study, chill with friends, play pool. There's events in here from the resident life committee such as therapy dogs, craft events, something for everybody. Now we're going into my flat, which is Snowdon, which is the mountain halls. This is the kitchen. You get a microwave, you get a toaster, fridges, freezers. Here's my room, like a hotel. First you can see the bathroom. This is the standard mountain halls room. You have your bed, a decent wardrobe, and you get a mini fridge too. You can decorate it however you want. These are the other options for accommodation, which is the Morgan Court. There is the standard block and the premium block. And this is the accommodation office where you can come with any queries you have, any flat problems. There's always someone here to help you. Here is the laundry room. Either you have a card where you can put money onto, or use your phone in the app. I hope you got all the information you need. Thank you for watching.